Irregular verbs. Practice. Am, was, were, been. I am a Spanish teacher. I was a Spanish teacher. I have been a Spanish teacher. Beat, beat, beaten. My heart beats very fast. My heart beat very fast. My heart has beaten very fast. Become, became, become. They become great friends. They became great friends. They have become great friends. Bent, bent, bent. I bent my clothes every Saturday. I bent my clothes every Saturday. I have bent my clothes every Saturday. Begin, began, begun. I begin to read in English easily. I began to read in English easily. I have begun to read in English easily. Binned, bound, bound. My cousin always binds my dog. My cousin always bound my dog. My cousin has always bound my dog. Bite, bit, bitten. My dog bites his bone happily. My dog bit his bone happily. My dog has bitten his bone happily. Bleed, bled, bled. I bleed from my knuckles. I bled from my knuckles. I have bled from my knuckles. Blow, blew, blown. My niece blows bubbles. My niece blew bubbles. My niece has blown bubbles.